Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Steffi D Creates. We're still doing back to school DIYs and I am so excited to show you guys this. It's literally 2 steps, that's all it takes. You might even have all of the supplies at home already, which is a big bonus when you're doing a DIY project. We're gonna be making these super cute DIY whiteboards that you make out of picture frames and put your own design in the background, and then you can write whatever you want on them. I love these. I'm a list person, so I love having lists everywhere. So if I can have something that I can write my lists on and then keep wiping off and adding more and taking some off, that is a huge bonus for me. So I love this project. I'm so excited to share it with you. If you're excited to see today's video, don't forget to click the subscribe button so you can always see new Steffi D Creates videos and see all the new DIYs I'm coming out with. You do not want to miss them, so make sure you click that button. As always, full instructions for this project will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below, just in case you don't have these products at home. This is a great project for school, for home, for work. Who doesn't need a whiteboard? You can make them as small as this and just put them in a 4x6 frame on your desk for a couple to-dos. You can put your favorite inspirational sayings in there every day, change it up, whatever you want to do. I just love this. So let's get started making it. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. Any size frame, washi tape, and a dry erase marker. I prefer one that has an eraser on it. The first thing you have to decide is if you want to keep the frame in this color or if you want to paint it. I wanted a little bit more color pop, so I went and spray painted my frames, but that is totally optional. Take the backing out if you want to do it, paint them, spray paint them, totally up to you. I like color pop in my office, so I put some spray paint on it. This is such a fun craft. I love making these. They only take 2 steps and a couple minutes. It's great if you want to put it in the kitchen and keep track of your groceries, put it in your office as a to-do list, set it up in your home when you have guests over and have a nice welcome message for them. There are so many options with this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the back of the frame. So this is the back part with a little stand on it, and I just have the back here. And we're going to put washi tape all across the back. Now there's a couple ways that you can do this. If you don't want to do the washi tape method, which is a little bit more time consuming, you can cover it with wrapping paper or any kind of pretty construction paper. It's totally up to you. I like washi tape. I think it sticks a little bit better, but the options are endless. When you pick your design, you want to make sure that it's a really nice design but not too overwhelming, because we're going to put writing on top of it, so you want to be able to see it. So you want to make sure that your pattern is not too distracting. So I'm going to take my washi tape and just starting at the top, going all the way across, we're just going to do line after line of washi tape. So it fits just like that. So I have my first line across here, and we're just going to continue all the way across. Since I have dots on my washi tape, I am going to just try and line up my dots. I think it looks really cool, but you don't have to. It's kind of fun if it's a zigzag pattern. And then when you get to the end, you can just rip it off. That's also what I love about washi tape. You don't have to have any ends that come over, so it's right up to the edge. There's nothing on the back. You just have your designs all the way across the top like that. Keep going all the way across, doing line after line. These also make really fun gifts. You can do certain patterns. They make washi tape in every sort of pattern. Disney characters, Pixar characters, they have everything. Glitter colors. I just think the glitter is a little bit too distracting for a whiteboard, so I just got a solid color design. These are also a good idea if you want to make them and put them in your kids' rooms with messages for the morning. Don't forget your backpack, your homework, your lunch, anything like that. Put it in because you can change it every day. When the back of your frame is fully covered in your washi tape or wrapping paper or whatever you're choosing, put the glass back into your frame and then put the backing back in. And so far I think that looks really cute with the black and gray polka dots and the pop of color on the outside. I love this. Go ahead and write your first message on here. Like I said, I prefer the dry erase markers that have an eraser on top. So we're just gonna write our first message. I hope you enjoyed this project, and thanks for watching. There are so many things about this project that I love. The colors, the way you can change it and make it your own. You can put anything on here. I just love this. Like I said, I love lists, so this is a huge plus for me. Definitely a life hack, and you probably have these products at home. If you don't have washi tape, it's really not expensive. Go pick out your favorite pattern and make one of these. If you liked today's video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up. That way I know you liked this project and I can do more just like this. As always, full instructions are on my blog, steffidcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below so you can make your own DIY whiteboard. Follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, with up-to-date information, behind the scenes, instant tips and tricks, life hacks, so much on there. You can always send me ideas on there too. If there's something you want to see me make, let me know and I will make it, put it on the list. I love hearing what you guys want to see. If you make this project, don't forget to upload it and use the hashtag StephiDCreate so I can see your awesome creations, what colors you use, what kind of washi tape, if you use wrapping paper or construction paper, whatever it is, I want to see it. I am so excited to see what you guys make. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.